Hi, my name's Kelly Clement, Director of Sales here at MetaStock. In this video, I'll be taking you through the new MetaStock Power Console. The Power Console is designed to help you as a trader identify the information you need to make a trade quickly. Whether you're charting, scanning, testing, or forecasting, the Power Console lets you access your information quickly and easily. So join me now for a quick overview of the MetaStock Power Console. The Power Console is the heart and soul of MetaStock. From here, you can quickly chart, explore, test, or forecast. And what we've done in the newest version of the Power Console in MetaStock 14 is make it easier for you as a trader to quickly identify the information that you need to get to the trade. So with that, let's go ahead and take a quick overview of the Power Console. So here, if we're looking for a stock, I can simply type in the symbol that I'm looking for. Now, if I don't know the symbol, there's a quick number of ways that I can identify that. I can come down into my instrument list, and this is navigated through a tree format, where I can come down and look through, say, different lists and categories to identify which of the securities I'm looking for. You can customize this instrument list to view only the list that you want to see. So here's a list of what I'm looking at in my Power Console, but it's customizable to whatever you're looking at globally in the markets. We can also create custom lists from here. Now, if I find a symbol that I want to open, I simply select it. If I'm opening up multiples, I just check them, and it will show me up at the top how many securities I'm opening out of how many are available. To reset that, I just clear it out by clicking in the box. If I don't know a symbol, I can also come over to our new improved instrument search dialog box. So if I click on this box, I can now search by symbol, name, contains, starts with, and ends with. And the great thing is, it's only going to search the list that I'm tracking. So if I only have, say, the Singapore market or the Australian market, it will only search through those markets. So now, let's go ahead and just type in a symbol, and you can see it will narrow right down to the symbol I'm looking for. I can also search all the global symbols that are available, but I only want to search the ones that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and click Cancel here. In the Power Console, we can also now go over to the Explorer, and you'll see this new tree view and split window view. This is designed to help you quickly, effectively manage what you're scanning for. So if we scroll through and look at these different scans that are available, each one of them has a tooltip that's available and will show when you hover over it. If I select multiple, it will show that I have 3 scans selected as part of my scan. If I scroll down now and come down to the instruments, and we can move any of these up, so we can move them up and down as you're navigating through the Power Console. Let's go ahead and select the NASDAQ 100. So now it'll show me that I'm going to scan 107 stocks of 69,000. So it's only showing what I have available and what I'm selecting to scan the market on. Over here now, instead of going to a separate screen, it now allows me to quickly just say how I want to run my scan. How much data I want to load, what date I want to scan on, what time frame, depending on the version of MetaStock that you're using. And then you can also set your exploration options here. The great part is, to recap, we now have a new summary screen that will show you all the different options that you've chosen before you even start your exploration. The system tester has been designed the same way. It's now designed to help you quickly select multiple tests, hover over to see what the test represents, and also quickly select the list of instruments you want to test against. Again, all this is customizable, so you can move these up and down and back and forth. You can now set all your trading parameters right from one window. With the forecaster, you can now come in and you can set quickly from one screen all the different forecast charts that you want to bring open without going through multiple screens. The entire Power Console concept is now designed to help you get from point A to point B without having all the steps in between. We hope you enjoy this new Power Console and all the features that it contains, and I wish you successful trading.